In today's video, we target the biceps and the triceps with just a pair of dumbbells. No gym needed. Hi, I'm Katherine. I'm a certified personal trainer. In this video, I'm going to take you step by step to strengthen and tone your arms. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Stand upright, dumbbells by your side. Your palms should face upwards and we bend from the elbows. Slowly curl the dumbbells up and down. Squeeze the biceps hard and lower the dumbbells back down to your side. Keep the movement slow. We're not in a hurry. 8, 9, 10. Now we rest for 60 seconds between every set. Set 2. This is an alternate bicep curl that you can choose to do. It's the same exercise but a slightly different technique where we raise the arms in an alternate mode. Up and down. Keep your body very stable throughout the movement. It's an arm movement. I don't want to see you moving your body. 8 and 9 and 10. Let's rest for 60 seconds. Last set, let's do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Last rep. There we go. We did it. Well done. On to our next bicep curl, which is a hammer curl. All right, so the dumbbells are by your side and the palms are facing the body this time. So you're going to curl the dumbbells up as far as possible and back down. Squeeze at the top and down. Once again, nice slow movements. We're not in a hurry. 8 and 9 and 10. Rest for 60 seconds. Let's go, set 2. Up and down. Up, down. Nice and slow. Just bending from the elbows. 8, 9, 10. Rest for 60 seconds. Okay, here's our last set. Up, up, down. Squeeze, squeeze that bicep muscle. Up, you're doing really well. 9. Last rep, number 10. Woohoo! Okay, this one, elevator bicep curl. Palms facing up. You're going to slowly raise the dumbbell in 3 steps. 2, 3, back, down, down. 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. A really slow, processive movement. Don't rush this. You will really feel it by the end of the set. Up. 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. Last rep. Up and down, down, down. Rest for 60 seconds. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. Now, we're doing this slow. By the end of the last set, you really are going to feel your biceps. That's the point. To get strong arm muscles, we need to work that muscle. Down. 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. Okay, we're finishing on 9. Rest for 60 seconds. Last set, you've got this. 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. If your biceps are burning, just push through it. That's where you're going to get the growth and that definition. 3, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. Okay, last one. 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. Well done. Excellent. Okie dokie. Triceps now. Here we go. Hold the dumbbell in your left hand above your head. So you're going to raise your arm and slowly lower the dumbbell behind your neck. Keep your arm as still as possible. So only lowering from the elbow down. That's the movement. Up, down, up, down. 10 reps on each arm. Let's swap. Up, okay, down and up, down and up. Try and keep that arm close to your head, just moving from the elbow back. Nice, slow, static movement. You feel that burn in the triceps. No flabby arms when we're finished here. Down, up. Well done. Rest for 60 seconds. We'll do it again. All right, so this time I want to show you the same movement but a different grip. So you're holding the dumbbell with both hands and lowering the dumbbell back again towards the neck. Keep your arms static close to your head, just moving from your elbows back. Eight, 9, one more, 10. Okay, let's rest for 60 seconds and do it again. Last set, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, halfway there. 6, 7, nice and slow. 8, 9, one more. 10. Well done. Woohoo! Okay, this is our tricep extension. You're in a split stance here and you're going to keep your back straight. The dumbbell is in your hand facing the body. You're going to, as you can see, extend your arms out towards your butt from the elbow. Just nice, clean, straight movement. Keep your body still. Once we do 10, we turn around to the other side. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and our last one, 10. Well done. So rest for 60 seconds. Set 2. Once again, split stance. Keep your back straight, moving your arm from the elbow only, out towards your butt. Keep your arm close towards your body too. Don't be swinging out and round. Nice, clean movements. Turn, another 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You've got this. 10. Well done. Woo-hoo-hoo. Good on you. Last set. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Let's swap. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, nearly there, 9, 10. Excellent work. Well done. Okay, lay down for this one. Hold the dumbbell, palms facing forward. Place the dumbbells together so they're touching. Now we extend our arms upwards and back down again. Your elbows are close to your body. Up, down. So as you extend and lower, you will feel it in your triceps. Okay, rest for 60 seconds and let's start again. Now, remember, as we do this, keep the dumbbells together. That's the goal. If they're further apart, you actually work your chest muscles. This exercise, we want to focus on the triceps. So keep those dumbbells together. Home run. Here we go. This is our last set. You can do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here we go. 9 and 10. We're done. Fabulous work, ladies. Excellent.